Tired of iOS and awkward cash exchanges? Let's dive into how to seamlessly link your bank account to Venmo and transfer funds like a pro. Why Euro? It's easier than you think. First, open the Venmo app and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Next, tap Payment Methods. Here, you'll see a list of your current payment options. To add your bank account, tap Add Bank or Card. Tap Bank. You'll be presented with a few options. You can instantly verify with your online banking login or manually link your bank account. We'll use instant verification. Venmo uses a secure service called Plaid to connect. Select your bank from the list and enter your online banking username and password. Don't worry, Venmo doesn't store this information. Tap Submit. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the home screen and tap your balance. Tap Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then tap Transfer. Choose your bank account and transfer again. Note that standard transfers are free and usually take 13 business days. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your bank account to Venmo. Remember to double-check your bank's daily transfer limits and be aware of any potential fees. Having trouble? Double-check your account details. Ensure you have sufficient funds, or try again later, as occasional system glitches can occur. Now go out there and Venmo like a boss.